Forward and up. Radio check, forward and up.
Forward sir, loud and clear.
Klaro? Okay. Abiso, pwede na kayo forward and up.
Sir, antay lang namin si Bokyo bumalik sir.
Okay. Nandyan na si Kwarto sa bow thruster.
Roger sir, nandito na sir.
Okay. Okay na, makina natin Timon. Biso nandyan as maestro Biso lang pwede na forward.
Roger sir.
Jay, ganun pa rin Jay. Buka mo lang yung ano ko Jay, yung pruwa ko Jay. Yung pruwa tapos lalayan mo ng bow thruster ko. Okay. Pruwa, area mo na headline. Area spring line up.
Area headline sir.
Okay. Ilang distansya mo dyan sa barko?
Mga ano sir, 1-0.
Okay, 1-0. Sige, slack mo lang yung spring mo kapag mag-tight.
Roger sir, slack na namin sir. Area na namin muna headline.
Okay. Yan, area na natin yung headline pala. Hindi tayo pwede atras kasi may tunggo sa likod natin. Yan, ito yung tunggo. Kapag walang tunggo, pwede tayo atras. May tunggo man, kaya hindi tayo maka-atras. Pahila lang tayo ni Benji. Pwede mo tayo mag-angle 45 degrees.
Sir, ng headline.
Okay, picking up headline.
Picking up, spring line up.
Hindi, yung stern line sana pupa. Sige lang, area mo na lahat pupa.
Yeah, stern line.
Okay. Slack mo lang yung pupa. Apro yung stern kapag tisado. Tingnan mo gumana ba yung bow thruster. Slow thrust to port.
Gumana kanina sir.
Slow thrust to port. Pa-low tide, balik.
Gumagana sir ang thruster natin.
Okay, thank you. Hard starboard please.
Hard starboard.
Up thrust to port. Up lang muna.
Clear up.
Kaya clear up. Gumamit ako ng bow thrust. Full thrust to port please.
Full thrust to port.
Proa, area mo na. Area to the proa. Let go line forward. Okay, Jeep.
Yeah, 6 line, BJ.
Okay, pisaran mo na lang, J. Lubid mo, J. Okay. Okay, J. Dagdag pisar, J.
All lines on sir, forward.
Okay, all lines on forward.
Swinging clear, sir, forward.
Okay, copy, swinging clear. Yan, atras na, na tayo, binira na tayo. Okay, up. Thank you. Monitor mo lang mamaya yung, yung tunggo.
Roger, okay.
Okay, J, bawas na tisar, J. Bawas na, J. Alalayan mo lang yung bow thrust na ito na, J. Okay, J. Midship rudder, please. Okay, thank you. Dead slow astern, please. Lap engine.
Sa transmittal. Kable. Para naman ta kay segundo. Go 30.
Kaya 30. Thank you.